In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage this new strategy in order to make money online passively, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Just follow me step by step so you can set this up properly and collect your earnings on autopilot. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel and Enemias World with notifications on so you can get notified whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. So the first step is to come over to Snappa. This is over at snappa.com. This is a platform where you can create different designs from done for you templates, and you can do it for absolutely free. And I'm going to show you how I'll be using it. So step number one is just to come over to snappa.com and click on get started for free so you can sign up and register for absolutely free in less than 60 seconds. Now once you signed up to Snappa for absolutely free, you'll be able to browse all of these different templates. As you can see, you have social media posts like Facebook posts, Facebook link, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnail, and so on and so forth. What we'll be focusing on today is either Facebook post or Instagram post. You can decide which one of these you want to pick, but they're pretty much the same, so you don't need to worry. You'll not have to post anything on Facebook or to post anything on Instagram, and you don't need to any followers for this. It's going to be completely different, beginner friendly, and really simple, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you how you can set it up on autopilot. So I'm going with Instagram post for the sake of this tutorial. I'm just click on it, and that's going to take us over to this page where you can browse all of these different templates. Each of these templates are absolutely free, and you can customize them however you want. You can change colors, the text, the background images. So you're just going to leave it like this for the moment, and we are going to proceed to the other platform, and then we're going to get back to this. Now what you want to do is to go over to this platform called Yazing. This is over at yazing.com. This is a place where you can actually make money by promoting someone else's products. So it's both a CPA and affiliate marketplace where you can browse all of the different offers that they have to offer. You can grab your affiliate link or your CPA link, share it with other people, and whenever someone takes action, you're going to earn a commission from that. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works, but first of all you need to do is to create an account by clicking in on join now. And from there you need to put a unique username, a valid email address, a password, confirm the password, and then click on register now. Or you can join with Facebook, which is a lot faster and a lot easier. And once you sign up for absolutely free on Yazing, this is how it's going to look like. This is your dashboard, and you're going to be able to browse all of these different offers. And the best thing with Yazing is that you don't have to wait in order to get approved for any of these offers. You just need to click on promote to earn, and then it's going to give you immediately your special affiliate link. Now, as you can see, you can promote different offers that are going to pay you different amounts of money. Like for example, this one is going to pay you $300 cash reward, this one $500 cash reward, this one 50% cash reward, and so on. I recommend you focus on some offers that are paying you more money so you can actually earn more money easier. So for example, I'm going to go with Coinbase for the sake of this tutorial. If you click on promote to earn, you'll be able to get immediately your affiliate link. And as you can see, it's going to pay you 50% cash reward. So if you refer, for example, one person and it makes like $200, you're going to get $100 of profit. If you refer like 5 people and they all make like $500 altogether, you're going to make $250, and so on and so forth. So after clicking on promote to earn, it's going to give you your special affiliate link that you can share with other people, and you just need to select this button right here, and you're going to copy it. Now this is really optional, but I went over to Coinbase so you can see how it works and what it's about. This is about cryptocurrency. People can jumpstart their crypto portfolio. Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency. People can sign up and get started today. They can create their cryptocurrency portfolio today, and this is one of the most trusted cryptocurrency platforms, as you can see, with over 68 millions of verified users. So before I show you how to actually set it up on autopilot and earn those commissions. I want to show you how you can actually see your earnings on Yazing. So just go back on Yazing once again. Here is going to be your username. This is your account. You just click on this and then you're going to click on dashboard right here, and it's going to show you how much money you have actually made with Yazing, how much money you have been pending, so how much money actually you have withdrawn from this website. And to cash out, you just need to click once again on your username and then on your edit profile, so you can add your email address in order to request the payment. Now that you have grabbed your affiliate link from your Yazing account, you're going to go back on Snappa once again so you can create a simple design. As I said, you can go through all of these different templates and you can choose the one that you want, and for the sake of this tutorial I think I'm going with this one right here, so I'm just going to click on it and then I can start customizing it however I want. I can change, for example, the background picture, and since my offer is related to cryptocurrency, I'm going to search for cryptocurrency here. I'm just going to select this picture right here, and after that I can even change the text here. In order to put some information about it, I'm going back to Coinbase website. I'm just going to copy this sentence right here and I'm going to paste it here on Snappa. Then I'm going once again back here, I'm going to get some other information, go back to Snappa and edit this text here, and I'm going to paste the other text. You can see what works the best for you until you create a nice looking design with Snappa. You can even change the color of this text, even the font of it. As you can see, you have a lot of things here, a lot of elements. You have graphics, shapes, text, effects and background. So this is how it's going to look like. You can of course put in a little bit more time and effort, and once you're done I want you to download this design by clicking here on the download button, and just make sure it has some nice call to action so people will actually click on your affiliate link. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up on autopilot, so where to actually get traffic. And the traffic source that we'll use in this platform here is called ad clerks. We're going to buy ads online actually. Now, even though this requires a really tiny investment, if you don't have any money at all to invest into this website, don't worry, because if you stay with me till the end of this video, I'm going to show you where you can get like 15 or 20 or even $30 for absolutely free, so you can use that money to reinvest here on these ads. Now you have all of these different categories right here, as you can see. But since Coinbase is in the cryptocurrency space, I'll select cryptocurrency right here. And now it's going to give me all of these different blogs where I can advertise for really cheap. Like you can see that these have millions of monthly visitors. These are millions of targeted people that will potentially sign up for my link. As you can see right here, for example, this website is being visited by more than 500,000 of people, and you can advertise for 20 cents per 1,000 impressions. And if you advertise 20 cents to 1,000 people, you potentially make a lot more than that. So all you have to do is just select the website that you want to advertise, then click on it, and then you're going to click on add to cart right here. And you just pay for an ad that you'll submit, that design that you created with Snappa, so that image that will actually be your advertisement. And then you're going to give them your Yazing referral link, and you're going to tell them to send people to that referral link. Now, as I promised before, if you don't have any money to invest here on ad clerks, what you can do is to go over to my channel, Aiden and Mia's World, and you can browse all of these different strategies that I have to offer. You can go through all of these videos and you can find one of the strategies that you like the most. You can make your first dollars, and then those money you can reinvest them on ad clerks. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you for watching.